someone needs to call the cops because there was a robbery, and that was the Carolina Hurricanes robbing Logan Stankoven because holy moly, how did he sign that extension? 8 years, $6 million. This kid is going to be nails. Nails. What a player. What a prospect. Oh my gosh, the future is so bright for the Carolina Hurricanes. Logan Stankoven is an excellent young player that is going to develop into a star. And I guarantee you, in 3 to 4 years, when we look back at this contract, we're going to say, how in the world is Logan Stankoven only making $6 million for another 4 years? This is ridiculous work by Eric Tulsky and the Carolina Hurricanes. What a great deal.